Hello, my name is James Lee. Today I'll be talking about the Beaufort Sea Dispute. The Beaufort Sea is a disputed sea adjacent to USA and Canada. The Beaufort Sea is located to the north of USA's Alaska and Canada's Yukon Territory. Canada and the US are arguing over this sea. The seabed of this sea is rich in resources such as oil and gas. If one of the two countries get control of this sea, they can get sea territory, control of shipping lanes. They can do Arctic studies and expand their seabed domains. The border dispute became a hot potato in March 2010 after a conference including Canadian and American experts on Arctic government. The US and Canada are both gathering geological data to expand their seabed territory to the outer Beaufort. They are arguing over a little piece of the Beaufort Sea, which is rich in resources and seafood. In 1867, USA bought Alaska from Russia. USA got involved in this dispute because they bought Alaska then. And after years of British occupation in Canada, Britain handed all of its Canadian possessions to Canada. Canada has been involved in this argument because of this. There was a treaty agreed by Russia and Great Britain in 1825. In the treaty, it said that the land borders right on the 141st meridian should go on the sea and be its maritime border. In that case, U.S. gets less bits of the Beaufort Sea. So the U.S. disagreed in this treaty, but Canada has agreed to the treaty, and both Canada and US are arguing over the treaty. So my research question is, what country should own the Beaufort Sea, USA or Canada? Country 1, Canada. Why does Canada feel entitled to this disputed area? According to where the Beaufort Sea is located, Canada is more beneficial to the sea, because the dispute is about where Alaska's Beaufort Sea ends and where Canada's Beaufort Sea starts. Great Britain handed its Canadian possessions to Canada when it became an independent country, and Great Britain owned the Beaufort Sea. Canada's maritime boundary extends north of the Alaska-Yukon border into the sea, which makes Beaufort Sea more beneficial to Canada too.